How to fix Geenie camera not connected to Wi-Fi. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we will learn how we can fix if your Geenie application is not connected to Wi-Fi. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, make sure to close the application completely. After that, reopen or give your application a fresh restart and check whether your problem is now solved or not. If that still does not help you, then restart your mobile device, then try to launch the application again, and that should help you. If still not, make sure the application is up to date. Sometimes if the application is missing out any updates, the application may not function properly or may not be connected to Wi-Fi. So in that case, open up Play Store in your device, navigate to the search icon at the bottom right corner, and in the search bar, search for Geenie and make sure the application is up to date. If there is any updates available, make sure to install them all. After that, relaunch the application and check whether your problem is now solved or not. If still not, then you have to clear some cache of the application. So for that, navigate to the application in your mobile device. Tap and hold on the application, tap on App Info. Under App Info, head towards Storage and Cache and here, tap on Clear Cache. After that, check whether your problem is now solved or not. If still not, then tap on Clear Storage and then confirm it. Once you have done that, now you can close the settings, reopen the application, try to re-log in and check whether your problem is now solved or not. If that still does not help you, then you have to uninstall the application. Once you uninstall the application, then reinstall it back, log it back, and that will help you solve your problem. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.